Ladies and gents, welcome to a new review or quick look at the new Dacia Bigster. As you can see, we're at local press conference here in Croatia. In Istria, we're going to check out the new Bigster. We have the Journey. There's also one of these is Extreme trim, so let's check them out and see what's the difference. Now here's the new Dacia Duster. It starts at 24,000 euros in Croatia, up to 32,000 for the top trim. So this is the Journey trim. It's the 155 horsepower full hybrid. There's also the Extreme. Those are the two top trims. That one is all-wheel drive, 6-speed manual. It will be replaced by the end of the year by the automatic 150 horsepower all-wheel drive that's run by front wheels, petrol, and the back will have dedicated electric motor. So that's that. There's also a 140 horsepower mild hybrid and LPG version with the same petrol. So this one on the full hybrid is naturally aspirated. The rest are 1.8. The rest are turbo petrols. Now let's just check out the trim. So the Bigster is bigger. Front end is slightly redesigned. The Journey trim has a black grille. The Extreme has the, I'm going to go to it later, copper details. So this one has gray. The Journey has gray side mirrors. We have here Journey and Extreme trims only. The Journey trim comes with the summer tires. The Extreme comes with all season tires. They're basically winter tires. We have beautiful alloys. These are 18-inch. I think you can spec also the 19-inch. So just a close-up. We saw this already in Paris, but I'm doing it now again since we have the car on test. The dash is more or less the same as in the Duster. Double laminated front windshield. You can see here the roof racks in this beautiful new blue color. Now let me just come to the back end, and you can see here it's really stretched on the back. More cargo space and more room for the back passengers. Now you can see here the 19-inch versus 18-inch. So these are 215/60 R18, and if I go to this one is the 205/55 R19. So this one comes with Michelin, and this one comes with the Continental tires. Tinted windows on the back, shark fin antenna. Now finally, what's new about this one is power tailgate. So you just press and it's going to open up. Now the power tailgate is standard on the Journey trim. If you go for the Extreme trim, you don't get the power tailgate, but you do get a panel roof. That's not on this one. It's an option if you want to have it on a Journey. I have some stuff on the back here, but you can see this is very spacious. It's a plus 700 liters, and that's very big. In the Journey, you can see you have a smaller spare tire, but still you get one. You get the lifter here. Now you can knock down the back, from the back bench, which divides 40-40-20. So the middle one is also like an armrest. You can see here that you have these grocery hooks and a 12-volt outlet on the right, plus a warm light. There's little extra pockets on the sides here, so you can put some extra stuff. This cover has like 2 layers. That's that. Now I'm gonna close it up. You have the Bigster signature there. Now aerodynamic handles on the back, good closing sound, and a very spacious cabin inside. So you can see this one without the panel roof. I'm gonna see if there's another one with panel roof. You can lock here if you have kids. So on the back you can see same as the Duster, same materials. These are half textile, half this recycled material. Journey seats. You have this gray cloth on the top. And let me just show you here, if I jump inside, there's loads of space in this car. You have the AC vents, 2 USB-Cs for fast charging on the back. You can see here for the front seats, there's a lumbar support. And let's hear the closing sound. So plenty of headroom on the back, so this is really amazing. So just to show you here, now there's this little tab here, so this is what you get on the back. Now let's quickly move to the front. So you can check my detailed review from Paris as well, but just to show you here the Journey trim. Now we have finally powered seat. It's only for back and forward, up and down, and tilt. To slide back and forward, you still need to push and do it manually. You can see here electronic parking brake. You can open the power tailgate. You have these shortcuts here, so you can see those. And let's just jump inside real quick. So what I personally like about the Bigster is this taller middle bridge. So you can see the armrest. This one's flush. You can see here have 2 cup holders. There's a park button, and it's the automatic with B for recuperation. Wireless charger, 2 USB-Cs, 12 outlet. This is same as in the Duster, so same infotainment, but in the Bigster you get a 10-inch, so it's this one here for the digital cockpit. In the Duster you have like a TFT screen on the side, and then only in the middle there's like non-glossy screen. Like this one is 10-inch, like this one. So works great. You can now you have apps. You can mirror the apps if you have like Waze in this one. When I get the car on test, I will show you more. Just to show you here, fuel consumption is not too bad for the full hybrid. So you have these views. Now here is supposed to be map when you connect, and you can see here it's like the distance. The car isn't on. Let me just quickly turn it on. So the petrol kicks in. It's going to start charging the battery because it's halfway full. But now you can see these navigation comes on when you connect the car. So that's that. I'm gonna switch it off. So I'm not gonna go through the infotainment. It is same as in the new Duster. So it's pretty good. And show you at least the headspace. So plenty of headspace. This seat was a little bit raised more up. I wasn't driving. Someone else was driving after me, so he was a bit shorter. That's that. What I do also like is the gray finish in the Journey trim. There's no Bigster sign here. Like in the Duster, you have Duster here. But in the Duster, in the Journey trim, this is blue. I like this gray finish, same as here. And that's that. Now let's get to one of those Extreme models. Just to show you that. Now I can also turn on these. You can see these are LED. Now this is the Journey trim with the again bigger alloys. You can see Michelin Primacy tires. So this one's the same. So no panel roof. I think one of these should have a panel roof. This is also Journey. Now this one is an example you can spec now also a black roof as well. In that case you get these side contrasting piano black mirrors. I think this looks probably the best. This one is also without the panel roof with the bigger alloys. I would personally always go for the smaller alloy just because of bigger comfort. I mean better comfort. Now this one here, you can see this is the Extreme trim. You have, as mentioned, all-season tires, and these are again like winter tires. You can see this one as well. These are the Extreme trims with the copper details on the front grille, and here and here. Now just to see here, I think on the Duster was a different bottom part of the bumper. Here you can see these side by side. So I think in this case that's not the case. This one has the panel roof. As you can see, it's openable, and this car is unlocked. So let me just show you. This one has the green dash. You can see this one's the 6-speed manual, has the driving modes for the different terrains, and you can see the seats. You can see the roof has the shade on. There's the controls, so someone left the shade on just for that purpose, to not have a super hot car. Let me just see if I can. Oh, okay, so this one, as mentioned, doesn't have the power tailgate. You can see there's this extra piece here, so you can order this like rubber textile. And this one has a full-size spare wheel, a little bit more depth in the cargo space. So no button, just manual closing, and that's that. That was a quick tour of the new Dacia Bigster from Croatian Premier. Even the Croatian mountain rescue is using these. Actually, these were like donated, but they eventually paid them off as well. So you can see that, and this one has the. These are the dusters. So you can see this one has the sleeping package. You can also have that for the Bigster, and you can see here now, if you take a look at the Bigster and then at the Duster, front bumper is slightly different. The fog lights are below on this one. On the Bigster, they're on the top. So that's that. I'm gonna wrap it here. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, do give it a like and subscribe, because I will do a full detailed review once I get these on test. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.